Today is the 10th of October 2022. We have Ullantorppa, or it could be Ulrikastorp, but we have to check that name later. Swedish Syren, Koivuhovi, Björkby, close to Kauniainen, Grankulla here in Helsingin, Sportsvision, Uusimaa Finland, in Espoo. This one has a yellow interior, like the thing say. But the CSP has a red interior inside the elevator instead.
Yeah.
This number is 1484C, best A-side purchase of 6 grams with 3 floors. It will be inspected in 2024. That's the Schindler door out, but in its thing say it was ripped off.
Yeah.
And this was finished in 2001, but probably constructed between 1999 and 2001.
Yeah.
Some of those glasses have been manufactured already in late 99.
Yeah.
And the rest in 2000 and January 2001. I really like these ones.
The same.
I mean, this is the best type of smart.
Siitä on kiva iskuttaa, että meidän phone.
Yeah. We just have to check the second glasses so we can see the ear.
Yeah.
I haven't seen it clearly. So that's it.
That's